Hi everybody. Today, as you can see, is a work day. So I'm going to show you what I want you to do. First of all, if you go into Google Classroom and go under classwork, I have posted a question for you, and it is, what is your topic sentence for the paragraph? Now, hopefully you guys remember what a topic sentence is. If not, I'm going to show you right now. So here's the layout for our paragraph, right? Look right here in the green, topic sentence. I basically wrote the whole thing for you already, so really you guys can just do this, copy and paste, and then change it when you put it into the question. So your topic sentence will be, Junior, the main character from the Absolutely True Diary of a Part-Time Indian, is mostly positive or negative. Now, see here how I put circle one above? You have to choose one. I did not write this entirely for you. You have to say is mostly positive, period, or is mostly negative, period. Now, your topic sentence is going to be based on the three quotes. The three quotes that you guys got for the Google form, okay? So did you focus more on Junior being positive or negative? Put your topic sentence here, and then when we start the actual paragraph, you will just be copying and pasting it into here before we move on to the actual writing portion of it, okay? So that's all you have to do today is get your topic sentence in to this question in Google Classroom. But remember, if you haven't done the quotes yet, which a lot of you have not, then you cannot complete the assignment. All right? Please email me if you have any questions.